Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to clear Instagram search suggestion. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Instagram app. Okay, then tap on search option. Click on search bar. Then your all search history. And just normally tap on close option, just click, then delete, just close and delete. Okay, then tap on see all and click on clear all, then tap on clear. That's all to clear search history in Instagram. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.